If you can get all answers right in the animals, birds, and Dr. Dolittle quiz, Dr. Dolittle might need you as his assistant. Question 1. What was the cat's food man suffering from when he visited Dr. Dolittle? A stomachache. Question 2. What kind of bird is Polynesia? A parrot. Question 3. What did Dr. Dolittle place outside on the windowsill? Flower pots. If you got the first 3 right, like this video. Question 4. What food phrase did Polynesia say in bird language? Is the porridge hot yet? Question 5. What did Polynesia say dogs use to ask questions? Their noses. Question 6. What color of spectacles did the horse request? Green. Question 7. What word did Dr. Dolittle write on the kitchen door? Sheep. Bonus question. What kind of animals used a tunnel to enter the cellar? Tell me your answer in the comments. Final question. How did Dr. Dolittle become famous among animals all over the world? By understanding their language and helping them in their troubles. How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.